Welcome everyone. Few days back, Google released their new Gemini 1.5. This is really groundbreaking, and I'm going to talk more about this particular thing. And the best thing about this is the context lens. So if you know, it has 1.1 million context length, and this is Ultra just got released. We all got access to it, but Thursday they launched this Gemini 1.5, where it is the longest context window. Little bit context about how big is 1 million token. It is approximately 7 Harry Potter books put together can also be covered in this. So there is in the blog they have released a lot of information about this model, but the thing that it is using is something called as a mixture of expert architecture. This is what is being used also in mixed that we have talked about earlier. But what is this mixture of expert model? If I want to quickly tell you by explaining in this diagram, this is a very basic definition of how this works, and let me just yeah. So suppose you are giving a prompt that is there. The prompt, whatever you are giving it, let me just 1 second. Yeah. The prompt that you are giving in will be, so suppose you are giving an input, right? Suppose you are giving a code logic that is here, and that logic is going to a router, and the router or is deciding. So there are a list of 8 experts here. So suppose there is a part of code in your context, so it is going to the expert that is good in code. Then suppose there is something called as a, this is good for facts, this is good for reasoning. So this is where it is going to go here. Suppose it is from the code, and then it is going to give the information back. Then suppose something is going to go to the reasoning, it is going to give the information back. Then the router will decide from what LLM and what expert should I send it to, and then he will give back the response here. So this not only decreases the load on the other experts, the router has a very good intelligence to know what where I need to go, what expert I need to ask. So this particular thing is already happening in Mixtral, and now Gemini 1.15 is going to use the same concept of MOE, and this is a very great concept that is there. So let me just manage this, and this is the mixture of expert model that is there, and it is a highly efficient architecture. They have explained it in details here in a video that is regarding this particular context that it is telling. So Apollo 11 transcript has been taken. It is approximately 32,900 tokens, and then it has been analyzed, the long context understanding, and it is able to understand the thing. So have a look at this video. I'm going to put this link as well in the comments for you to have a look. And also there is one more amazing video where they are problem solving with the 3.js example code. So this is around 100k lines of code, wherein they are taking the thing and are trying to understand and doing a video walkthrough of a model interaction, which is a 3 minutes video with a lot of information that you can get from these 2 videos. So the Gemini 1.5 is not open for access till now, but it is there are a lot of things that they can do. It can do video, it can do audio, it can do problem solving, logical solving, and everything. These are the 3 examples that they have given. One is the 3GS example, then there's a Sherlock Junior movie, which is a 45 minutes video without any voice. They are looking at the video and trying to understand what is happening. So these are some of the very amazing things that are there that you can look at. And the best thing about this is it is one of the most powerful large language models that is out there. It is going to be a big competition to GPT 4.5 Turbo, Mixtral, the ones that are there. And then this particular thing, and the best thing, it is also integrated the Gemini Ultra features. So if you can see this video, It is taking the whole video, which is an understanding from the video without any word, and trying to do a transcription. And this is very, very amazing. And safety and security, it has taken a lot of things into consideration for the safety and the security part, which Google is always proud to talk about. And you can, it is going to be open to public. And there is also, they have written in the documentation, we are offering 1.5 Pro to developers and via A1 Studio and Vertex AI. So this is for, if in the Vertex AI it is giving API call, not till now, it has not been done. And early testers can try 1 million at no cost during testing period. They should have expect longer latency with experimental features. So there are a lot of developments that is happening in this space about Gemini 1.5, and the particular space that is there. Looking forward for more hands-on and sharing it with the community very soon. Have a great day.